Hey everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. This is day 2 in my 28-day challenge. It's late, you guys. Look at the time. It is 7:10, almost 7:15. I just got home and made myself a cup of tea because today, yes, Electra, yes, I see you. Oh, the dogs. Because today is a little bit too late for me to have coffee. So I am back on doing FlyLady and my own routine all together every day for the month of February, and I'm very happy to announce that my very good friend Denise at deelovelylife and Michele from My Everyday Wife Life are also joining. So what I'll do is that I'll create a playlist and they will be able to upload their videos to the playlist so that way you get to see everybody. And please subscribe to the channel if you have never seen Denise's video or Michele. They are awesome gals. I really love them. Mwah. Okay, so it's 7:15 and I only have a half an hour. I tell you what, little changes tonight. Tonight is Friday. Usually Friday is takeout night, so I don't have to worry about dinner. And Scott is always on the late bus on Friday, so he's not coming home until at least 8:45 today. So by the time he gets home, the pizza will be almost there. That's what we're doing on Friday. We either have Chinese or pizza. Tonight is pizza because we had Chinese last week. We don't want to repeat, and the noise you're hearing in the background is one of the dogs drinking. Just in case you're wondering, because I know with this microphone that's brand new, I am picking up every single noise in this house. I cannot move one thing without you getting this barrage of sound effects. I have to figure out a way to you know, manage the microphone a little bit better. Thank you, Electra, that was very nice. Okay, she's done. Right, so today is the 2nd and here are my routine. Okay, we are in zone 1. I have entrance, the front, which I said yesterday I was going to do on Saturday, so switching that. 15-minute declutter in the zone, 1 load of laundry and the swish and swipe, and then I have to edit the video and I have some bills to pay, PSCNG. So I'm going to do the dining room tonight because it's just too late. So I'm not going to do a lot because I'm doing the dining room and I showed it to you yesterday. So my plan for the dining room is just to do the stuff I didn't do in January and when I did my dining room back to 0. So I'm gonna do the fan. I'm gonna see if there's anything to declutter, though. If you follow the FlyLady, she tells you declutter until you're comfortable with what you have and you only keep what you love. And in the dining room, I love everything, so I'm gonna keep everything in there. So that's that. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of spruce up, probably change the table sets. I have to do 1 load of laundry. I did one yesterday. I have to fold it, and that's all the whites and stuff, so I'm gonna fold that. But I don't have a lot of laundry to do, but I do have one item that I want to wash today, and we're gonna try to see. It's gonna be a review of the color catchers. I made this table runner for Christmas that's all red, white and green, and I didn't get to wash it yet because I needed to buy the color catchers. I'm afraid the red is going to bleed, so I purchased color catchers and we're gonna see whether or not it's going to destroy that table runner. I sure hope not, because it was hard work. So I have to do that. So 1 load of laundry. I'm gonna spruce up and clean the dining room. So the dining room, I'm gonna do the fan, I'm gonna change the table sets, and I'm going to sweep. Actually, now I'll vacuum the dining room and then I'll mop the dining room. That's what I'm going to do. If I see any stain on the table or on the chairs, I'm going to take care of that. And what else? The swish and swipe of the bathrooms and the toilets. I had a question yesterday, a comment that was /question as to whether or not I did the rest of the bowl of the toilet. Yes, I do. I just didn't film that because nobody wants to see me with my hands around the toilet picking up the leftover urine from my kids. Keeping it real, I just don't feel you need to see that. So yes, I do the whole toilet with the disinfecting wipes. I do the sides of it, I do the bottom, I do the rim, I do the seat, I do the cover, and I do the back, and I do the handle. I do switch wipes. Okay, and then I just swish with the regular brush. So that's that. So I have the swish and swipe, but big matters first. Let's find out the dishwasher status for tonight. Yes, and I am kneeling on the floor because the dogs need hugs. Okay, yes, the shift, yes, okay, all right, yes, I love you too. You're a good girl, yes. Oh boy, you guys stinks. I need to wash you again. Okay, so what are we getting tonight? Are we getting a full dishwasher with dirty dishes? Are we getting a full dishwasher with clean dishes? Or are we getting a dishwasher that has been emptied? Let's find out. Oh, it's full and it's clean. Yes, the dishes are clean. Okay, so we're going to add empty the dishwasher to the list. Mom bought this, by the way. This is great. Wait, yes. The good news is that Wednesday I'm off, and you may ask why. Edward has to register. Are you ready for this? Because I am not. Edward has to register for junior high classes. Junior high. Can you believe it? Yes, Electra, he's going to be, I can't believe it either, Electra. He's going to be 16 years old in April, and it's freaking me out. Look, where did I put them? Hold on. I'm gonna hide the address. He's getting letters from colleges. Every day I get 3 or 4 of those. Of course he doesn't open them. I do. He's getting letters from colleges. I'm ready for that. I am not ready for that. So anyway, so Wednesday he has to register, but the only slot that was available, because you know the teachers, they don't want to do that before you go to work or after, right? Because they just do that during their hours. Nothing wrong with this. I took the day off, so I'm gonna go there at 9:30 in the morning. It's gonna last about an hour, and then I'm gonna come home. I'll do my routine at that point, and then I have the whole day for myself. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna do extra cleaning. No, I'm not. All I'm gonna do is quilt. Last one. It's done. Okay. I didn't time myself. Probably took 2 minutes, but then again I was yapping, so who knows. Wow, this is really bad lighting, you guys. Okay, hold on, let me see if I can fix that a little bit. Okay, no, that's not any better. Okay, we're all gonna leave with this, okay? So this is the one I'm talking about. This is the quilt table runner that I made for the holidays. Yes, we are in the laundry room, also known as half dungeon, because half of it is being completed. And I will return. I will return. And I'm talking about this stuff. Okay, so I learned from quilters that this thing here called color catcher, you put a sheet one inside the wash, and if there is color that bleeds from your clothes or anything, the color gets attached to this. I have no idea how it happens. I do not know the chemistry behind this, but apparently I am told it's genius. So I'm just gonna wash this. I'm just gonna put that in, not because I'm afraid it's gonna bleed all over the place, but I don't know. Anyway, so this thing is supposed to help you wash colors with whites. You supposedly just put one sheet in the wash, and then when you take your stuff out, this gets all colored. So any color that bled is gonna go on this. I'm going to put 4 sheets. Why 4? I don't know. I just want to make sure I catch any kind of color that comes out of here, because I really don't want any bleeding on my table runner, because I worked hard to put this thing together. So let's find out. I'm just gonna start the wash. We'll come back later on to find out whether or not it worked. Keep me in your prayers. So I'd say it's time to do the dining room. Yeah, so I didn't do the fan last month, so this is what it looks like. Do you remember when my fan dust used to be a ½ an inch? Look, that's it. So I'm gonna rinse this, I'm gonna wash my table, I'm gonna switch the table sets, and then I'll vacuum, I'll mop. I don't have much to declutter, to be honest. I just have Willie's computer here that needs to go upstairs. These are just towels. Hey, my quilting stuff is still over there. I didn't bring it back downstairs. And then over here, the only thing I have is something that Ed did in STEM class. Some kind of engineering plastic molding they created. That's gonna have to go back upstairs. Other than that, that's it. So that's all I had time to do today, was to vacuum the dining room, mop the floor, which I'm going to do again in the home blessing hour on Sunday. But I'm trying to wash the dining room floor more often, kitchen floor as well. But I'll do that probably Saturday, tomorrow. So let's see how dirty it was. I did this 3 days ago, so yeah. It's not as bad as it would be otherwise. So I am ready to go do my switch and swipe, and then that's it for today. Whew, I'm out of breath. Okay, kids' bathroom, switch and swipe. Yeah, I just got like regular tissue paper. I'm not even trying to get like paper towels or anything. Oh, there was toothpaste right here and here. That's gone. Do this like this. And when they go to bed tonight, this is all done. I'm perfectly aware that the kids should be doing that, but I'm doing videos, you guys, so it's gonna have to be me. They do once in a while. I just have to ask and they do it. They just don't have the initiative to do it on their own. I have to ask. Okay, let me do the toilet. You guys don't need to see that. You know the point, right? You just wipe and swish. Boom, 1 minute and 30 seconds this time around. This is all clean. I'm moving upstairs. All right, we're in my bathroom, and I did bring the spray, because yesterday I just used paper towel. This time around, I'm using sprays. And here we go. I'm losing my hair, so there's hair in the sink. There's always toothpaste over here. Maybe because I keep my mouth open when I brush my teeth. I don't know. Okay, let me do the toilet and I'm done. I do have some powdered makeup here from this morning, so take care of that. Oh, the glamour. So I'm back in the laundry with half of my face lit. as usual, and we're going to get the moment of truth as to whether or not I completely ruined my table runner. So let's check it out. Oh wow, nope, I don't see any bleeding. Oh, this is awesome. Wait, the color is on the color catcher. Okay, for real now, this is absolute genius. Look, my table runner did not bleed. It's clean, smells wonderful, and the color, which is not a lot, I thought there would be more, is on the color catcher. Who came up with that? Now see, that is a Nobel Prize winner right here to me. Wow. Wow. I put 4, right? Here's 3, and here's 4. All of them, if I'm putting them against the cream color, because it's not white, it's cream. Okay, so here's the cream color. I'm getting all wet. Okay, see? Look, you see that? This is outstanding. I wonder if you can reuse them. So I'm gonna let this hang dry. I am not putting in a dryer. I'll tell you why. Because I cannot remember if I used 100% cotton thread to do the quilting itself. So if I put it in a dryer, I don't want it to, you know, shrink. All right, so I'm gonna put it on a hanger, and I'm gonna just let it hang like this, and it's clean. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so it is 8:08 exactly, and I forgot to show you the sink. So yeah, don't forget to shine your sink. And I'm done. So yeah, it took 40 minutes just about this time around, but again, I'm moving the camera. I'm not working as fast as I could. It's not like I'm taking my time or anything, but I had some extra stuff to do tonight, you know, blah blah with the color catcher and everything, and then all the talking eyes, so you get it, right? It's basically 30 minutes. FlyLady wants you to do things for 15 minutes. I take 30 because, you know, the house is big and I have a lot of stuff to clean. If you have an apartment, you definitely can do this in 15 minutes. If you have a smaller house, you can definitely do that in 15 minutes. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I just want to reassure you that it's not going to take you that long. Remember, I am filming, I'm talking a lot, and my house has 4 floors. So it is a big house. We a little bit under 2,000 square foot. I'm pretty sure some of you have way bigger houses than this, but you also probably have more space in between stuff and less stuff, unlike me, who collects dust bunnies, apparently. Hi, Electra. Hello. Right, so apparently I need to talk to you and pet the dogs at the same time because there's a protest, a general protest going on. Okay, so, where was I? I can't remember. Yes, I'm pretty sure that, yes, okay, all right, hold on. I'm pretty sure that once I really get this FlyLady system under my belt, it's probably gonna be reduced in amount of time. All right, it's her turn. Tell me down below how you're doing with your own routine. Don't forget to check Michele at My Everyday Wife Life and Denise at deelovelylife. I will include the channel links down below since they are starting the challenge alongside of me. And if you are a YouTube creator, either established or you just started on YouTube and you want to do this series with me, just let me know and I will include you in the playlist as well. Okay, so thank you for watching and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. What's the matter? I know. I know you're a good girl, I know. Oh, you should. Oh, we like the kisses, yes, yes.